How to fix T-Mobile cannot transfer number. To fix a T-Mobile port in or transfer error, you simply have to generate a new number, transfer PIN, and keep your old account active. So first of all, you simply have to keep the old service active. Make sure not to cancel your old phone service before transferring. Your old account must remain fully active for automated porting system to move the number, and then generate a port or transfer PIN. You cannot use your standard account password or lock screen PIN. You must request a specific 6-digit number transfer PIN from your previous carrier application or customer dashboard. Then match the billing details exactly. Then proceed to disable the port protection. Log into your old account or old carrier application or website, then turn off the port protection and port lock or take over the protection. And if this security feature is active, your old carrier will block the T-Mobile from grabbing the number. So once you turn this off, you should be good to go. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.